I think our customers' wins are the ones that are most exciting to me. We've seen customers who started as a few folks in a garage building hardware and are now scaling to tens of thousands of square foot facilities, building high volumes of products for government customers or commercial customers, and seeing them go on that 2 or 3 year journey with Cofactr alongside them is probably one of the most exciting wins we get to see.
The engineering approach to solve problems of a warehouse are just really interesting. Trying to find a solution that's both flexible, doesn't prescribe too much for their individual workflow, but also is easy enough to use that it doesn't get like incredibly fanned out and hairy very quickly has been one of the most exciting and challenging problems to solve for our end user customers.
If you're an engineer, I think the most exciting thing about Cofactr is the lifecycle data, the ability to understand and do bomb scrubbing through Cofactr. But if you're on the supply chain or logistics team, I think what's most exciting is the fact that there's a lot of automation involved in order tracking, whether that's from the time you place an order to the time you receive it, but really just knowing that the materials you need are going to be where you need them to be, on time, every time.
My team is basically the voice of the customer at Cofactr, so anytime a customer gets a win, it's a win for me and the team. So I think there's a plethora of times where customers have come to us saying hey, this has worked out great. Hey, we've saved a bunch of time, we've saved a bunch of money. And so, as that voice and representation of the customer in the company, those are wins for us and those always feel great and massive.